Learn with me. A for apple. All kids speak with me. B for balloon. C for camel. D for drum. E for elephant. F for fish. Z for giraffe. H for horse. I for igloo. J for joker. K for kettle. L for say lemon. M for monkey. N for nose. O for octopus. P for pig. Q for question. R for raincoat. S for snack. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vegetable. W for winter. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra.